In order to connect your Google Pixel 10a to PC and to transfer data, what you can do is you can use a USB cable. You can simply connect your phone to your computer, and it is going to be the best method to simply transfer data. So we're gonna plug it in just like that. And once you connect, of course, first your phone will try to charge, but we can go to notifications. And in here, we need to search for a notification about charging the phone. In case it is not there, you might need to reconnect the cable. And then we have the charging this device via USB. So we're gonna tap on the notification once to reveal more information and tap again to open USB preferences. Over here, you need to choose File Transfer / Android Auto. There we go. And then on your computer, you should be able to find Pixel 10a. Then we have our storage, and you can of course go through all of these folders in order to try to find all your files that you have on your phone. You should be able to find pretty much everything: photos, videos, documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. And you can easily transfer the data between your phone and your computer. Leave a like and subscribe.